Yep, you're going to have to clutch. Just hang on. All right, now still going. Still going. Hit the clutch. Let off the gas. Go, 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 go. There you go. Now easy around the curve. Don't let off the gas because you're going to stall. Okay. Get over just a little.
Right here?
Yeah, so we don't hit them. Yeah. Get over just a little. All right, now slow it down just a tad. You're in a residential. You might want to scoot up just a little bit.
All right, now what? Do I just turn?
You got to get to the street first, baby. Well, you're gonna have to slow down just a little. Don't let off the gas. All right. Then okay, start turning. You got it. And straighten your car up. Don't let it go on the gas, because you're fixing to stall. Once you get confident enough, you can actually take off in second gear. It's not something I suggest do though. Okay. Did you feel how it grabbed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Watch the holes. In my car, it's bad to teach you how to drive. All right. Clutch, clutch. You got clutch in?
Yep.
All right, now. There you go. You got it. You gonna be able to pull in Mimi's driveway?
I can try. I've done it in Toby's car.
Yeah, but you're in a stick this time. Give it a little bit of gas. All right, straighten it up.
And brake when I'm ready to stop up there.
Yeah. Give it a little bit of gas. You're gonna stall. Easy. Now you got to put in the clutch and the brake, but don't slam it. All right, easy. Clutch. Clutch and brake.
I got it!
Well, I didn't know what you had.
We were going to the garage. Yeah, and you see how much difference there is?